What's going on, Sherrick and Roof Doctors? My name's Keaton with Disio Media right here in Texas. I'm going to be short and sweet in this video, and we're just going to keep moving along, and I just hope you find it helpful. So hopefully I don't go too fast. What we're going to talk about, we do all sorts of things like Google ads, Facebook ads, social media management. But what we're going to talk about right now is your website and ranking on Google for SEO. So if someone types in, your client types in Roofing San Antonio, you want your website listed up there at the top. You want to be found first over your competitors, over Angie's List, everything on that. It also goes with your map pack too. So your Google My Business map pack. I don't know how often I find myself a restaurant near me or something like that on my mobile device, and I use that map pack all the time. Your customers are doing the exact same thing when they're looking for roofing services, roofing repair, or what have you. So being found for those buyer intent keywords, again, these are people walking around actively looking for your services in the area, and that's where you want to be found. You want to be found by them. Guide them to your website, guide them to your GMB, and get them to click to your call. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Some ranking factors. We're going to talk about content. Content is king. Content is photos, videos, helpful information. So if you're helping Google's users answer the question or providing that service that they're looking for, Google's going to recognize that, and they're going to start rewarding your website and start ranking it higher. So content really is king. Original, helpful, informative content is really going to go well with any SEO and ranking organically. Another one that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So backlinks is what other websites are pointing at your website. It's basically like an online referral. So Google takes those referrals and is going to see how many websites are pointing at them saying, this one trusts you, this one trusts you, this one trusts you. And they're going to just add all those together and say, hey, this is a pretty trustworthy site. And then it's going to be easier for you to rank. Another one that I want to talk about is citations, and that's going to be on your map listing that we were just talking about. You know, if it's restaurants near me or roofing services near me, it's really going to help on that map pack to have those citations. And citations are going to be where's your company name found, your same company phone number, your address across the World Wide Web. So Google's going to go out and crawl. You want to be on Yelp, Thumbtack, Yellow Pages, all these different directories are really going to signal to your GMB that, hey, this is also trustworthy. They found your name, number, and address across multiple areas. You're a legitimate business, things like that. So getting right into it, I do want to show you this tool that I use called Ahrefs to get an idea and an overview of what's going on. And what I've done is in this Site Explorer, I put in roofdoctortexas.com. And we've got your website plugged in right now. So we can see how many backlinks you have. We can see how many referring domains your website has. We can see the organic keywords that you're currently ranking for. And this is the number of about 6 people per month organically visited your website. That's without paying for advertising or anything like that. So the first thing that I want to just show you is this organic keywords. We're going to click on that and get a little bit more of a breakdown. And you can see these are all the keywords your website is ranking for, which is great if they see your car driving down the road, you pass out the business cards, you're knocking doors, whatever it may be, you're stirring up the air, and that's what's getting people to type in Roof Doctor San Antonio. But what we're talking about is you want those generic ones, buyer intent, location specific keywords. So Roofing San Antonio, you do have some of them right here, Roof Repair San Antonio, Texas. So this is telling us that 20 people searched that in 1 month. The KD of 20, so that scale is from 0 to 100. 20 is not terribly high, but it is still going to take some time to rank for it. You have other websites competing for that keyword. And then if you were going to get into Google Ads, you could look to pay about $17 per click for Google Ads on that one buyer intent keyword over here. But we can see you're ranked 39. You are jumping up 7 spots. But we didn't get any traffic this past month for that one buyer intent keyword. But I just want to show you this Ahrefs and kind of give you an overview and how useful it can be. And I want to show you 2 other competitors in your area that are doing a really good job on ranking and what it's doing for their website and how it's growing their business online. So looking at GoTitanRoofs.com, I have their website pulled up again in Ahrefs Site Explorer. We can see their backlinks. We can see their referring domains over here and their organic keywords. So again, these are the buyer intent keywords that they're ranking for, 457. And they had over 700 people visit their website without paying for advertising. So that's just ranking organically and people finding them on Google. So let's check out their organic keywords. What are some of these? We talked about roofing San Antonio. It is going to be a huge buyer intent keyword in the area. So 500 people per month search that keyword. 34 KD, again, that's scale out of 100. KD means keyword difficulty. How difficult is it going to be to rank for that keyword? How many other websites are trying to rank for it? So you get an idea of how difficult it's going to be to rank for that one specific buyer intent keyword. Again, cost per click is how much are you going to spend paying for Google Ads. You're looking at $20 per click, or right about $20 per click. And GoTitanRoofs.com is ranked number 1 for this buyer intent keyword. And they had almost 130 people visit their website in 1 month for one buyer intent keyword. And we can just keep going down the list and check out some of these other ones. Roofing San Antonio, Texas, 150 people searched that. They had 44 people visit their website in 1 month because they were ranked number 1. Same thing. We can just keep on going down here. C7, you can see how that kind of changes on how much percentage of this 400 they got to visit their website in 1 month. But let's just keep moving along. This is another competitor that you have, EliteRoofingSolutions.com. This is one of their back pages, so this is not their main domain, just like this GoTitanRoofs.com. This is a back page on top of it, and they are ranking on this back page. So we can see their backlinks. Again, back page right up here. It's not the full domain. We can see their backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, and their organic traffic per month. So they had over 900 people visit their website in 1 month on one back page for these keywords. Let's check them out. And they've got a lot of repairs, right? So they're hitting number 1 for roof repairs San Antonio. How often do you have people asking you, can I get a full roof replacement? It's great when you get those slam dunks, but roof repairs, roofing repairs, all those different keywords are really helpful when it comes to getting people to your website, getting that conversation going, getting up on top of that roof, and getting that inspection in. So 300 people searched this one buyer intent keyword in 1 month, 24 keyword difficulty, $20 cost per click, or what you're going to spend for Google Ads. And they had over 110 people in 1 month visit their website for one buyer intent keyword, roofing repairs San Antonio. They're ranked number 1 on it. Same thing right here, 250 people searched that in a month. They had 84 people for ranked number 1 for roofing repairs San Antonio. So you can see the variations. That S on there matters, the no S, no ing right here. Roofing Company San Antonio, another good one. They're ranked number 2. They had 63 people visit their website in 1 month for that one. There's a high cost per click on that as well. But you can see that difficulty to rank for is a little bit lower than some of these other ones, sitting at 16. Anyways, I want to keep it short and sweet. That the video is already too long at this point. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You'll have my contact info at the bottom of the email. And I hope you all have a nice day and stay safe. We'll see you around.